Okay, we can begin. So we're going to do a NetScaler key pair. First, I want to just show you. I'm trying to get this for the website is n90x.info. If you do a quick ping on it, where's it located? Its DNS is sets at 10.0.1.91. Okay, and it is. If we go there, try to go there, we're going to get an SSL error because the content switch is set up, the backend is set up with the services, but the certificate is not set up there, the SSL cert. So if we get onto the NetScaler, here it is. Let's go to SSL, and this can be done, see, with the freemium license. I want to go into certificates. Well, no, server certificates. I want to install. Now I want, this is going to be the N90X KP or key pair. You can call it whatever you want. The first file, it's local, it's on my machine, it's not on the appliance. I'm going to go to it, and it is here in N90X. Whoa, what happened there? N90X.info. Okay, here's my certificate. Here is my key pair. I'm sorry, my private key. It's right here, private key. Choose. Okay, and I want to install. Okay, so we created it. Here is the N90X key pair, and you can see it's still valid for another 84 days. I want to go to my content switch and apply it. So here's my content switch. I want to edit it. This content switch is handling all the traffic going to a web server, which has, of course, host header name processing, so you can host multiple websites on a single web IP address. We're going to go down to certificates. There's already 3 certificates installed. I want to click on it, and I want to add a binding, the new one, which is the N90X key pair. I want to select it. I want to make sure that server certificate SNI is enabled so that it can support the multiple websites. Click close. And now when I go to, I'll just refresh this. When I refresh n90x.info, I'm getting the local copy, which is here on the 10.0.1.91 IP address. Okay, and it is encrypted. It is secure, and it's using the 0SSL certificate. Now, one thing I did not do, which could be important, let's see. General information, is I did not link it to the CA, which is generally it is a good idea. Let's go back to this. This is done here. Well, where are we at? Well, what happened? Okay. Let's go back to traffic management, SSL files. Well, certificates. Sorry, what? Server certificates. God. Now this this certificate, I want to link it with the 0CA. This is the certificate authority that created this certificate. And if we right click on it again and show the certificate links, you can see that it's linked to the 0CA, which is what we want. Go back again and refresh it. Nothing's going to change. It's still going to work. It's going to work as usual. And I don't think anything changed here, but view the certificate, and you can see it's encrypting in TLS 1.3. If you want to view the certificate, can see that information there, and here is the CA that issued it. So that's a quick overview on how to set up SSL using a content switch on the NetScaler.